Oh, hi again. We're right back with the Coronation. I started to smoke off, but you can't see it very well. What I have noticed is this water-based one does not give off as much smoke as the normal. I don't know what the normal is. Well, it's oil-based. What I will try next is the olive oil and see whether that gives off better smoke, but I think you can just make it out, so I'll start it off and see if it works. You can just see the smoke. There isn't a great deal of smoke coming out with the water based, so I won't buy any more of that.